In today's video, I am going to share with you guys the new, exciting, best micellar water. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Roche, aka beautymagz. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a product from Careline, which is a micellar tonic. It is a 2-in-1, which is a cleaner, or not cleaner, cleanser and a toner. So I'm very excited about this, guys, because I do certain love micellar water. It's one of my favorite products to review. And for tonight, I am just going to share with you my first impression right now, okay? And I'll talk to you more about it in the next coming days, you know, as I would wear makeup and cleaning my face with the micellar water. And I'll be using Careline for the next couple of days and see how it goes. So let's first open what they sent to me, guys. Not only which is the claim is the best micellar tonic. Okay, I'm very excited about this. So here you guys, this is the package that we got from Careline. Hey! Diba? May pa-PR na tayo. Oh, diba? Ang ganda-ganda. Thank you, Careline. I'm very excited. And also, okay, let's open. First, we got this Aqua Plus. Which one? Right, guys? Right, this is Aqua Plus Deep Hydrating Gel for face and body. Ooh, exciting! Diba? Very exciting siya, guys. Alright, okay, the next one. Got this. Oh, Glow Boost. Ooh, this help with water cream. This is nice, you guys. Wow. When it's like, you know, skincare, you are going to be so excited, right? And if you're aging like me, nakaka-excite pag skincare. Yes, I'm excited. Thank you. And also, guys, you can also find this in Watson's. This is available in Watson's. Made in Korea, you guys. Alright. Okay. Next one. Ooh, Careline Skincare. Look at that, guys. Tiny. What is this? Oh, this is for acne. Acne spot, I think. I don't have my glasses on, but yes. Yeah, we're gonna have all the reviews soon, or my thoughts. Is it effective like that? Yes, for now, I'm just the first impression. Yes. So nice. Look at that, guys. Okay, next one. I think this is it. Ooh, look at that. Careline, this is the one, the micellar tonic. Yes, right now, first impression. I'm very excited right now, guys. Okay, does it have a scent? You put a tape here just in case if there's any spillage or something like that. Packaging, it is pretty like normal, no? And the size is 250 ml. It is available in Watsons, so if you're interested, guys. Wow, it has ooh, it's white in color. Wow, because this is a cleanser and toner, 2-in-1. Wow, and I love toner too. You know, toner helps balancing your pH in your face. So I'm really excited, you guys. And sensitive skin like me, I hope it does work, but I believe it will. You know, lid cover pala, that's why no scent. Oh, it has a flowery scent, but very mild. Refreshing. Yes, it turns me off when it's too like flowery scent. This one is skincare smell, so yes, that's a plus for me. Okay, let's try out. Oh, it's like white, you know. Oh, it's not ano siya, guys, very light lang siya sa skin. Ooh, moisturizing too. I'm very excited to, you know, take this to try on and let's see how it goes with the makeup. I will let you know my thoughts about it. Would I recommend it? You know, does it work? Is it effective? So much and so forth. That sort of stuff. I will let you know my thoughts. What are my opinion? Right? Yes. Yeah, excited. Caroline, thank you so much. I'm excited to try this out. I'm going to try it out tonight. And also I'll be trying out in the morning, so you can see what are the difference. Okay, and then the last one, oh, it's the cleanser, guys. Yes, right. If you have the, you know, the toner, I mean the micellar water and the cleanser, both double purpose of cleaning, yeah, your, you know, make, especially if you're wearing makeup. This is perfect, you guys. I'm very excited with this one. This is my gentle cleanser, right? Yes, this is really good. Excited. I'm about fragrance, a little bit of flowery scent, but not overpowering. It's not like it will remain on your skin. No. Wow, this is, yes, made in Korea, guys. All of these products are made in Korea, so yes, that's really nice. So again, these are all what I got from Careline. Thank you so much for sending this product to me.